Hey everyone, we're here in Glenorchy, which is just an hour drive from Queenstown.
So we are currently at the Glenorchy Wharf. So there is also a jetty behind it. So those two spots are very popular for engagement shoots, wedding shoots, or even just a regular photo shoot with your friends, your families, or even by yourself. It also has a very beautiful backdrop of mountains, and if you're lucky, you could even see snow-capped mountains when you have your pictures taken there.
And it's a beautiful day, so we're treated with really nice views. So we're doing the Glenorchy Lagoon Walkway.
It's an hour return.
Hopefully it won't be too far. We've been meaning to do this walk for a year now. Last time we were here down south, it was raining, so we didn't push through to going to Glenorchy. But this time, we got nice weather, really clear skies.
It's hot.
It's hot.
So we are currently at the Glenorchy Lagoon Walkway. So this is just an hour return walk, which is very easy because it's just flat. So you're not walking through
Hills or going up.
Yeah.
So it's a very nice, peaceful walk, and along the way you can see mountains. And since it's autumn, so you could see lots of beautiful colors of yellow and green.
So when you're going to the Northern Circuit Walkway, along the way you would see a boardwalk. So that is one of the most photographed areas as well because of the backdrop of snow-capped mountains.
And a nice little lake here as well, which is a good picnic spot. Also, if you're hiking, make sure to wear long boots. It makes the track much shorter. I love. And you will appear more sexy as well if you have the long boots and the red coat. I agree. Do you agree?
I don't know.
So she said to make sure to buy good quality boots. And you advise them, love lovers?
What? You're flying thigh-high boots.
Yeah.
Make sure it's from a reputable brand. It's in a good deal.
Good deal.
And make sure that it's not slipping down because that's the main problem of thigh-high or knee-high boots. So do your research first.
Alright guys, there you have it. Listen to the expert.